In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color on GoDaddy Website Builder. If you want to make certain words stand out more clearly on your website, changing the text color is a simple way to do it. This can help improve readability, match your brand style, or draw attention to important information. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can make the change quickly and confidently. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're logged in, go to your profile area. This is where you can access your account options and manage the products connected to your GoDaddy account. From there, click on My Products. This section shows the different services and tools you have available, including your websites. Take a moment to locate the specific website you want to update, especially if you have more than one site in your account. Once you find the correct website, select it and click Edit Website. This will open the GoDaddy Website Builder Editor, where you can make changes directly to your site content. Give it a second to load fully so you can see your page clearly and work without missing any options. Now, go to the section of the page where the text appears that you want to change. Highlight the specific text you want to edit. When the text is selected, you should see formatting options appear. Among those options, you'll find the setting to change the text color. Click the color option and then choose the color you prefer. As you do this, pay attention to how the new color looks against the background. A color may look nice, but it should also be easy for visitors to read. If your website has a theme or brand colors, this is a good time to keep your selection consistent with the rest of your design. After you've chosen the color and confirmed that the text looks the way you want, the final step is to click Publish. This is very important because your changes will not appear on the live website until you publish them. Once published, your updated text color will be visible to your visitors. And that's it. That's how to change text color on GoDaddy Website Builder. It's a quick update, but it can make a big difference in the overall look and clarity of your website.